Most eval frameworks score what an agent returns. TrajectoryLab scores how it got there, every decision, every tool call, the full path from prompt to answer. The architecture is 3 layers. A pluggable rubric system where you define what a good trajectory looks like, an LLM judge that reasons over the trace, and deterministic checks for things like tool call order or loop detection. You can mix all 3 in a single eval run. I designed this to be built by an autonomous multi-agent system. The scaffolding, the schema, and the initial rubrics were all generated and wired together without me writing the boilerplate by hand. To run it, clone the repo, install dependencies, point it at a trace file, and pass a rubric config. It outputs a scored report per trajectory step. The Quick Start section has a minimal example with a sample trace, so you can see the output format immediately. That's TrajectoryLab. If you're building agents and need to understand failure modes beyond the final answer, this is the harness I wished existed. Code is on GitHub under Ritik Paddle. Issues and rubric contributions are open.